Okay, and so it's my time because I think tonight we have 10 people to join this club meeting. I think not many, but still we have a very warm atmosphere, and 15 minutes late is very late. So I would suggest our Toastmaster evening. If you come here earlier before the meeting, I would suggest our TME will check every assignment attender if they have arrived. And if still they didn't show up, you have to find someone to replace their assignment. And especially tonight, we cannot see our president, our EVP. So we have to call. So another suggestion. Do we have our new membership list, including our telephone number, address, email?
Can you give me your...
Hein, can you answer this question? Do we have our new membership, 2010 to 2011?
Yes, I have.
But we have to send to our members.
Oh, send to
And this is also because everyone can contact each
Oh.
other. Okay. For example, tonight Rachel said she missed Hanyin's email because Hanyin gave her an assignment about to give a speech, but it seems something wrong with Rachel's email box, so she didn't receive it, and she mixed the email, and so she didn't prepare, and so she cannot come. But if she have another member's telephone number or email, for example, like tonight, she suggests Mocha to be her replacement, but she didn't have his phone number. So I would suggest we should give our membership list, and so we can contact each other, especially when the TME finds some members still not show up, and maybe can contact, what happened to you? Oh, you will be late a little bit, or you are on the way, something like that. So this is my suggestion for the Toastmaster evening. But tonight, we have very good Thanksgiving thing. Thanks, blah, 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 for something. I will suggest each time our club meeting, we have a very meaningful thing. And everyone have some idea or some feeling to share each other for the same thing, and this is very good. Let's continue. And I also suggest our EVP to remind our TME each time. Remind every TME. Next time.
Remind PME for
to prepare a thing.
Oh, remind PME. Oh,
And to prepare a thing, a meeting thing each time. Because it's very good. Everyone can share the same feeling, the feeling based on the same question or same topic. And also, tonight we have two speakers. The first speaker also haven't prepared a speaker for a long time. So you don't have the menu right now.
Because when I went to the U.S., then all of my material.
So you didn't find your material. So I would suggest this time you make the speech to involve.
Yes.
So maybe you can borrow from Hanyin.
I don't have.
You don't have it yet?
But
We
Sophia,
have a record, the whole menu. Sophia, you have?
yeah, upload
Only
to.
one? Only this
No.
one?
So
I
I have
said-
philosophy, yeah.
I sent him a whole
Yeah,
file,
yeah.
but he only printed this.
Yeah,
Only one.
Oh, okay. So maybe you still have the whole
Yeah,
file?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So maybe next time I will suggest our speaker to bring the whole file, whole book to the meeting. And so we can find out, this is what kind of menu. Because usually advanced not many people, not many members have the chance to prepare such kind of menu. And maybe you would say, oh, RH tonight, he made a very interesting speech. Maybe next time I can do, and according to the same menu too. And I think this is my suggestion to RH. And next is our member to be, right? Mocha. And Mocha told me that he will rather to listen than to speak in our club. It also doesn't matter. But I think if you want to make a very interesting proposition about interesting things, I think I would suggest that you continue your speech. Because I'm enjoying your self-introduction. It's very different in different ways. Usually people will say, oh, my name is blah, blah, blah. I was born in where, and I study in the school, something like that. But you using a different way to introduce yourself as yourself. And I think you have a talent to speak. To speak. So you don't have to hide your talent. You can be a good listener and also a good speaker. Both. And
Both, yeah.
Yes, so I encourage you to do your next speech. And so the first speech usually is shorter, so 10 minutes. Tonight, the 10 minutes our agenda is 5 to 7. I think it should be 6 to 4 to 6.
4 to 6.
Yeah.
4 to 6. Okay. And next, table topics. Oh, I love it because if you have a hot international event recently, this is a very good chance for we can discuss this topic. And so I think very good. And also the universe check. Sorry, I didn't receive your email. Maybe I missed your email again. But after I read that check, I think it's very useful. What?
That one. Yeah.
Yes. A very. Okay. So everyone, when you go home, maybe you can think about it. What kind of wish you want to have? Maybe this is not all. You said in the currency you choose. Maybe your U.S. dollar. Maybe your percentage of percentage of your happiness doesn't mean the currency.
Meeting Mr. Right.
Oh, meet Mr. Right.
Who knows in future?
Oh, Mr. Right.
Who knows in future?
I love our table topics tonight.
Meeting Mr. Right.
And
Yeah, maybe you can write down the Mr. Rice's name.
How many percent, Mr. Right?
How many?
so I'm a little bit talky. So I will turn my time back to our report. I missed you again. Sorry. Not Debbie?
No.
Yeah, Sophia.
This is our country report. Vic 1R, Debbie 2R, Jeff 3R, Joe 2R, Red 2R, I 2R, Chanel 2R, Anning 3R.
Wow. So next
Get
time,
this free.
We have a lot of money. Okay. Please donate to the piggy bank. Thank you. So, it's also my time to conduct a feedback from the guests.
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Is it?
Yeah, should be
it's a
big.
No, me, yeah.
Okay. Just welcome our Toastmaster evening.
Thank you, Joe.